Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. You're in the right place if you're passionate about photography and videography. Today, we're diving deep into the Canon EOS R7 Mark II, the highly anticipated successor to one of Canon's most beloved APS-C mirrorless cameras. This feature-packed camera is expected to bring groundbreaking enhancements in resolution, autofocus, image stabilization, and video performance, making it an ideal choice for wildlife photographers, sports shooters, and hybrid content creators. Stick around as we break down the release date, expected price, and all the rumored specs. If you're excited about cutting-edge camera technology, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest camera reviews and comparisons. Canon EOS R7 Mark II. A worthy successor? The Canon EOS R7, released in mid-2022, redefined what an APS-C mirrorless camera could achieve, delivering professional-grade features in a compact and lightweight form factor. With its 32.5 MP sensor and DigicX processor, the R7 quickly became a favorite among photographers who required speed, precision, and versatility. The EOS R7 Mark II is expected to build upon this solid foundation, offering substantial improvements in image quality, autofocus tracking, and video performance. If the rumors are accurate, this camera could be one of Canon's most powerful APS-C mirrorless cameras to date. New sensor and resolution upgrades. One of the most exciting rumors surrounding the EOS R7 Mark II is the introduction of a new high-resolution sensor. Canon might increase the resolution from 32.5 MP to approximately 40 MP, making it the highest resolution APS-C sensor ever produced by Canon. This significant leap would provide greater detail, enhanced dynamic range, and improved low-light performance. The new sensor is also expected to feature BSI, backside illuminated, technology or a stacked sensor design, further improving light sensitivity and readout speeds. Additionally, the EOS R7 Mark II is likely to incorporate dual-gain ISO, a feature seen in high-end mirrorless cameras that helps reduce noise at high ISOs while preserving details in shadows and highlights. With these advancements, photographers and videographers will have even greater flexibility in cropping images without sacrificing quality, making it an excellent option for sports and wildlife photography. Next-gen autofocus with AI integration. The Canon EOS R7 Mark II is rumored to feature an upgraded version of Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system, renowned for its speed, accuracy, and subject tracking. The new autofocus system is expected to incorporate AI-driven subject recognition, similar to the powerful EOS R3 and R5 models. This means faster and more precise subject detection, especially for wildlife, sports, and action photography. Enhanced eye, face, and body tracking for humans and animals. Vehicle tracking for motorsports enthusiasts. Improved low-light autofocus capabilities, ensuring sharp images in dimly lit environments. With AI-based autofocus enhancements, the R7 Mark II could set a new benchmark for APS-C mirrorless cameras regarding speed and reliability. Enhanced build quality and ergonomics. Canon is known for designing comfortable and user-friendly cameras, and the R7 Mark II is rumored to feature several ergonomic refinements. A more substantial, deeper grip for improved handling. Repositioned buttons and dials for better accessibility. An upgraded electronic viewfinder with 5.76 dots for a more immersive shooting experience. A fully articulating, high-resolution touchscreen LCD, catering to vloggers and hybrid shooters. Enhanced weather sealing, making the camera more resistant to dust, moisture, and extreme conditions. These physical upgrades will make the EOS R7 Mark II an even more comfortable and durable option for demanding shooting environments. Revolutionary in-body image stabilization. The EOS R7 already boasted an impressive 7-stop IBIS system, but the Mark II could push this further to 8 or even 8.5 stops of stabilization. This would make handheld shooting significantly more stable, especially for low-light photography without a tripod. Smooth handheld video recording, capturing sharp images at slower shutter speeds. Rumors also suggest the addition of a hybrid active IBIS mode, which combines optical and digital stabilization for cinematic quality handheld video. Expected video upgrades. 6K recording? The EOS R7 Mark II could take Canon's APS-C mirrorless lineup to the next level with advanced video capabilities. 6K uncropped video recording for maximum quality. 4K at 120 frames per second for slow-motion cinematography. 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording for greater color depth. Canon Log 3 support for enhanced dynamic range. With these upgrades, the R7 Mark II could become one of the best hybrid mirrorless cameras for videographers and filmmakers. Battery life and connectivity improvements. Battery life is crucial, especially for photographers and content creators who need a reliable camera for long shooting sessions. The EOS R7 Mark II is rumored to feature an improved LPE6NH battery, offering 20 to 30% longer battery life compared to its predecessor. On the connectivity front, we expect Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2 for faster file transfers, dual UHS-2 SD card slots for high-speed writing and redundancy, USB-C 3.2 support for quick data transfers and charging. These upgrades will ensure that creators can work faster and more efficiently in any environment. Price and release date speculations. The Canon EOS R7 Mark II is expected to be priced between $1,800 to $2,200, making it a strong competitor against the Fujifilm X, H2S and Sony a6700. The official release date is still unconfirmed, but based on Canon's release cycle, the announcement could happen by late 2024 or early 2025. Final thoughts. Should you upgrade? The Canon EOS R7 Mark II promises to be a game-changer in the APS-C mirrorless market, offering a powerful blend of speed, resolution, and video capabilities. With next-gen autofocus, improved IBIS, higher resolution, and enhanced ergonomics, it is shaping up to be the ultimate APS-C camera for sports, wildlife, and hybrid shooters. If you're considering an upgrade from the EOS R7 or looking for a high-performance mirrorless camera, this might be one of the best APS-C cameras ever made by Canon.